Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by measuring where you are. Record screen time for 7 days and note which apps dominate. Once done, set a specific goal, for example, 2 hours daily or a 30% cut this month, because targets create focus. Next, enable built-in tracking or install a tracker app immediately so you can see progress. Make sure to log baseline numbers. Without that, you can't judge success. This quick start gets you acting instead of planning, and that momentum matters. Now you implement controls and substitutions. Set app limits and schedule downtime for evenings and focused work blocks. Once limits trigger, resist bypassing them for a week so habits form. Make notifications quiet and try grayscale to reduce visual pull, and move the most distracting apps off your main screens. Pair each restricted window with a replacement activity, a 20-minute walk, reading, or a short call, so you're not just cutting, you're swapping. These steps address both environment and habit, which is why they work. Finish by reviewing weekly reports and comparing them to your baseline. Celebrate small wins to reinforce progress. Once done, adjust limits up or down by roughly 10 to 20% so targets stay realistic yet challenging. Make sure to schedule a monthly check-in with yourself or an accountability buddy to discuss patterns. If you're slipping, tighten rules. Use stricter app locks, uninstall an app temporarily, or add a social accountability check. This troubleshooting tip often fixes persistent relapses and keeps momentum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.